Good morning, class. Welcome back to Beaches Cantonese. 有人誤會我係一個廣東話 Missy。Come on， 你返學嘅時候有幾可見到一個又拼又索，仲爆撚晒粗嘅 Missy 啊？我本質就係一個 bitch， 首頁同埋影片裏面都寫晒出嚟㗎啦噃。我就唔係一個溫柔又可愛嘅榜樣。記住啊，呢度係 Beaches Cantonese。Today's lesson is how to learn Cantonese. So I came up with ways that are going to make language learning easier. It does not only apply to Cantonese, but it also helps if you are learning other languages. So stay here and watch till the end. I always tell you guys that this is not just a boring textbook style channel. I'm not saying books are bad, but by reading texts and pictures, are you sure that you are actually applying them right? This time, I'm going to provide ways that actually help you to learn Cantonese. And it costs just your time to finish this video. Take a look at your surroundings on your table or in your bedroom. You actually have every material you need to practice Cantonese. I have a water bottle, 水樽，電話。These are objects that you can easily acquire, and all you need to do is to label them. You see it, you feel it, you name it, you got it. Just like how you learn English in the first place, you know that a cup is smaller, shorter, and maybe wider. And a bottle is longer, just like how I love it. Jokes aside, remind yourself how you learn English or how you learn as a baby. We were all young and curious at once, and babies are the quickest learner in the world. When they see a thing, they're going to play with it, feel it, look at it, and question, what is this? And then they are going to observe how the adults use it. Perhaps the family is using this thing, looking at the giant bright box. So the baby is going to learn, I guess this stuff is not just a toy, but it has something to do with that big, bright box. And eventually, by observing, the baby is going to learn that, oh, that is actually called a computer, 電腦. And this thing connected with the computer is 滑鼠. That being said, in order to learn new things, you must be open-minded. Will a baby judge? Maybe after they learn how to distinguish good and bad. But before that, all they care about is, can I put this in my mouth? Ah, what is that bright thing? Can I touch it? Oh, what is this? I want to break it. Some of you are looking for motivation. You're thinking that if someone pushed you to do that, you will learn it. But ultimately, the curiosity comes from why, how, what if, those kind of questions. Now, the labeling system and your 5 senses are on in your mind. And the next step is to learn words that are not objects, such as adjectives. Take a look at this video that I made last week. And use your hands because they are going to help with speech. 高級瘦削肥. Notice my hands? They're going down, but I make a rounded shape. Your body helps you memorize a lot of things. In fact, it stores memories. And this is why pain warns you about danger, and laughing resembles happiness. Feelings like 痕, itchy, 痛, painful, 好凍啊, very cold, 熱撚死人咩? So fucking hot. The last method in this video is to notice the patterns. This is extremely useful in Cantonese. When I say 痛, that means painful. 頭 means head. Headache, 頭痛. 手指 指甲油. With this logic in mind, I am now going to give you a test. This is 腳, and these are, yes, you're right, 腳趾, and this is 腳趾甲. This is today's video on how to learn Cantonese effectively. Share to someone you know that is learning a new language and tell them you are so brave. Because a lot of people say they're going to learn this, learn that, but they give up so quickly. So if you enjoy my feeds, Cantonese, subscribe to Beatrice Cantonese. I'll see you every Wednesday.